Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told that in a random sample of 200 cars of a particular model, 3 have a manufacturing defect. And we're asked, given this rate, how many of 10,000 cars would also have a defect? So what we're going to do here is we're going to use our rate, right? And the rate we've been given is that there are 3 defects in 200 cars, right? This is the rate of defects in cars. And we can use that to find the amount of defects that we would expect in any number of cars. And all we have to do is multiply it by the number of cars we're looking at. In this case, we're looking at how many defects are in 10,000. So all we have to do is multiply that rate by 10,000 cars, right? And if you notice, we have a cars unit in the numerator and the denominator, so they cancel. And we're left with 3 times 10,000 is 30,000, divided by 200, defects. So this conversion rate converts the number of cars into the number of defects. 30,000 divided by 200, you can plug it into your calculator, is 150 defects. So how many would we expect to have a manufacturing defect? 150. A is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.